Hi everyone. In this video, we will discuss about electric vehicle drivetrain alternatives based on power source configuration. There are many possible electric vehicle configuration due to the variations in electric propulsion and energy sources. Based on these variations, 6 alternatives are possible and which are shown in the figure. So the first configuration is the configuration with the battery source. So it is a simple battery powered configuration. The battery may be distributed around the vehicle, packed together at vehicle back or located beneath the vehicle chassis. The battery in this case should have reasonable specific energy and specific power, and also it should be able to accept regenerative energy during braking. So the second configuration is that configuration with the 2 battery sources. So the only difference is that instead of a single battery, here 2 batteries are used. That means 2 different batteries. So the one battery is optimized for specific energy and the other one for high specific power. So next is the third configuration, that is electric vehicle configuration with battery and fuel cell sources. So here the battery is an energy storage device, whereas the fuel cell is an energy generation device. That's the difference. Battery is used for energy storage and fuel cell is used for energy generation. Since fuel cell can offer high specific energy but cannot accept regenerative energy, it is preferable to combine it with a battery with high specific power and high energy receptivity. So the fourth configuration is that the configuration with multiple energy sources. So rather than storing it as a compressed gas, a liquid or a metal hydride or hydrogen can be generated on board using liquid fuels such as methanol. So in the figure, in this case, a mini reformer is installed. Here a mini reformer is installed in the electric vehicles to produce necessary hydrogen gas for the fuel cell. Next is the fifth configuration. So in fuel cell and battery combination, the battery is selected to provide high specific power and high energy receptivity. But in this configuration, a battery and supercapacitor combination is used. So here is a battery is there, a supercapacitor is there. So a battery and a supercapacitor combination is used as an energy source. So the battery used in this configuration is of high energy density device, whereas the supercapacitor provides high specific power and energy receptivity. And this is the sixth configuration. In the sixth configuration, a battery and a flywheel is used. So the sixth configuration is similar to the fifth configuration. The only difference is that instead of supercapacitor, in the sixth configuration, a flywheel is used as energy source.